afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are doing well, and well in the sense fit, fine, and healthy. So, being healthy is really important word here. I already recorded few videos where I spoke about our water intake, our daily routine. In that routine, I mentioned few things about our food habits, waking up early, all those kind of stuff. So in this video, I want to take all these aspects together and make a video where you will get to know how we should be create our daily healthy routine. So the first thing about daily healthy routine is how we should start our day. So obviously early morning, try to wake up at 5 or 5:30, because the period between 4 to 6 a.m., or let's say 3 to 6 a.m., is really wonderful time to wake up, do your yoga, drink at least 3 to 4 glasses of water, do chanting, meditation, etc. So try to finish all these activities at least by half 6, or let's say by 7 a.m. in the morning, and then you are ready to do other activities such as your breakfast or going to job or school, college, etc. So this is the main thing, what you do in the morning in between 3 to 6 or 3 to 7. So please focus on that, because that that specific time gives you so much energy. That really feels you very refreshing, and that energy, that refreshing energy will be with you the whole day. So the starting of the day is really very important. Like we always say, the base is important. So this is your base of every daily routine. So think about it and focus on those 3 to 4 hours in the morning time. And after that, as I mentioned in my previous videos, after breakfast there has to be a kind of 2 hours gap. Then you can drink 2-3 glasses of water, and then after 1 hour or 2 hours or so, have your lunch properly. And not every time you need to eat something sweet after your lunch. Otherwise, there are so many people who have this habit of eating sweet after lunch, so just try to avoid that. And again, after lunch, give like 2 to 3 hours gap, again drink 2 to 3 glasses of water. And then after 2 hours, by half 4, you can have some healthy snack, or you can eat fruits. And because obviously you need to eat something, because the dinner time is around 7 or half 7. So likewise, your routine should be, and after dinner, the dinner and next day breakfast, there should be at least 12 hours gap. So think in that way, like if you're all that chanting, meditation, yoga, if you're finishing by 7, then obviously you will have your breakfast by half 7. So try to finish your dinner by 7 or half 7. Then you will obviously get that 2 hours gap, and then you can go to sleep, because that gap also is very important. Otherwise, we'll just have our dinner and then okay, I'm sleepy, and then next moment you will be asleep. This is not good for our body, because the body needs some time to digest. So this is how our daily healthy routine should be. So try to think about this message, and try to focus on that, and live your life in a very healthy manner. Thank you so much. I'll come back again with another video. Thank you.